Want to take your smartphone photography and videography to the next level? In this video, I'll share the best camera phone accessories for 2024, from portable power to pro-level stabilization. Whether you're a casual shooter or a creator, these tools will transform your mobile setup. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Anker Power Bank, Compact 10,000 mAh. Let's start with the basics. Beyond a charger and cable, the most essential phone accessory is a reliable power bank. Without power, your phone is essentially useless. When it comes to power banks, trusted brands are key, and I recommend Anker based on my personal experience with their dependable products. For optimal performance, choose a power bank with a capacity of at least 10,000 milliamp hours, which should provide a couple of full charges for most smartphones. Many Anker models also come with an 18-month warranty, offering peace of mind and ensuring you're covered for potential issues. Number 2. ShiftCam SnapGrip and Peak Design Case for iPhone. A phone case is essential for protecting your device, but why not enhance functionality with a grip that transforms your phone into a camera? The ShiftCam SnapGrip does just that. This magnetic grip, designed for iPhones 12 series and newer, with MagSafe, not only improves handling, but also includes a mini power bank for added convenience. It connects via Bluetooth, enabling you to use its shutter button for taking photos in both portrait and landscape orientations. Plus, it's compatible with premium cases like those from Peak Design, making it a versatile accessory for photography enthusiasts. Number 3. Joby RangePod Smart Tripod. This smart tripod is a versatile and well-built tripod, ideal for both full-size cameras and smartphones, thanks to its included high-quality phone holder. This sturdy tripod offers excellent build quality and adjustable heights, making it suitable for various shooting scenarios. Its 360-degree head allows for smooth panning, perfect for capturing panoramic shots or creating fluid video movements. Whether you're a photographer or videographer, this tripod is a reliable companion for achieving steady and professional results. Number 4. NEEWER 18-inch ring light kit. No guide to phone accessories is complete without a ring light. Whether you're snapping selfies, recording videos, or capturing product shots, the right lighting can elevate your work from amateur to professional. The NEEWER ring light kit is a top choice, featuring an 18-inch 45 centimeters dimmable LED ring light. It includes a stand, phone holder, and carry bag for portability. With adjustable color temperatures ranging from 5,600 Kelvin to 3,200 Kelvin, you can easily customize the lighting to suit your needs. This versatile kit is a game changer for enhancing your photography and video quality. Number 5. DJI Osmo Mobile 6. This gimbal stabilizer elevates vlogging with new features tailored for content creators. This iteration introduces quick launch and enhanced active track technology, allowing seamless subject tracking, even during side movements or spins. Its 3-axis stabilization ensures buttery smooth footage, all in a pocket-sized 300-gram device. A new status panel simplifies mode switching, letting you choose between tilt lock, FPV, or spin shot effortlessly. Paired with DJI's Memo app, the Osmo Mobile 6 unlocks creative possibilities like time-lapse, dynamic zoom, gesture control, panorama, and story mode. Whether you're a seasoned vlogger or just starting, this gimbal is designed to make capturing professional quality content a breeze. So, which is the best? For versatility and performance, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 takes the crown. It's perfect for smooth professional videos. But every accessory here can elevate your creativity. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments.